Namaskar, Vimaleshwari this side from Stay Natural. Let us talk about our life today. We are humans and we have incarnated on earth with some purpose, which is known as soul journey. But the lifespan is not very large. We have a very short span of time in which we have to cover that journey. This life is a jumble. Sometimes it is full of happiness, sometimes it is full of sorrows. Ups and downs are moving with us at every stage. When we are happy, it is okay. But when we are sad or we have so many problems in our life, we need some help at that point. At that stage, we need some mentors, guides, teachers who can help us to cross that obstruction. But do you really know? Universe has already provided us with guides and mentors since the time we were born. They are angels. Universe has given angels as our mentors and guides when we incarnate on earth since the time when we are born. You must be wondering what exactly angels are. Where do they come from? Angels are cosmic energies. They are light energies, very powerful, that resides in the much higher dimension than earth. They are the messenger of God for us. They are our mentors to help us. Universe attached them with each and every individual when a soul incarnate as a human body. But remember, universe works on free will of soul. Until and unless we approach universe for help, the universe will not interfere in our life because it is our journey. And if we want help, we have to ask for the help. We have to connect with the angels. And of course, once we connect with them and we give them permission to interfere in our life, they are more than happy to help you because this is what they are attached to you. They want to help you, they want to guide you so that you can go on a path which is much more better that you can even ever imagine. How can they help you? They can help you in a much better way than you can help yourself. Reason being, they belong to much higher dimension. They know your life better than you. They know the journey of your soul, from where it is coming and where it will go. They know what is happening in your life right now. They know what is upcoming in your life. So they can guide you in the best way. They can help you because they oversee the things coming up. Angel energy love for you is selfless. They just want you to be happy. They just want that you move on your soul journey in a much better way. This angel workshop will help you how to connect with the angels, how to seek their help. You will also learn how to understand the signs and symbols they send you in the form of answers because the language they use is of much higher frequency which doesn't match with your physical mind. This angel workshop will help you to decipher that language so that you can understand what they are trying to tell you.